Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, sorry. So this is the question. Today we have booked 20k guys. So one is a loss. This is some extreme loss actually that I have booked, but then it has been overwhelmed by this profit as well. I'll tell you what has happened exactly. So these are all my orders. I think I have taken only two orders. That's it. So one is buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah, that's it. It's a simple trade actually. Uh, yeah, this is the options chart that I've entered in. Set 11:35 and 50, 11:35. Yeah, in this bar, I have made an entry in this bar. This is the put option, guys. Put option. I've made entry in this bar, and exactly at the top, I have exited my order. I think not at the top. Okay, in this bar, it got executed. Chalo, it's okay. So I've captured a decent points, I guess. So we'll go to the logic, guys. What was the reason and why did I short? Because I tried to short somewhere here itself a little early, but then I got you know manipulated. So my SL got hit, and that SL has been huge. Even before I could place my stop loss, market has spiked so much towards the downside. That's where I have taken that 19k loss. So what are we up to for now, guys? For now, if you see, let's go into the daily chart. So, okay, for now we are still trading inside this range, and my expectation is market will still come downwards from this point. So we'll see. We'll discuss about it. I mean, we'll see. Okay, the week is closing here. Okay, by next week, I think we'll be seeing some sort of bearish momentum. For now, that is my bias. So what has happened, guys? Actually, so we are seeing two back-to-back bull bars, and in the third bar, I think I tried to short, not in the third bar itself, even before. Yeah, in the third bar, something like that. Let us discuss. Exactly in this area, I tried to short. You see this 11:25 bull bar. I'll show the order book. Yeah, 11:26. You see this at 11:26. I have executed the order, hoping that the market will go down, and I even got my entry as well. Because once this bear bar has been taken out by this bull bar, I try to go shorts here, but within two bars the third bar has spiked up so much that I had to take such huge loss of 19,000. But then there is one premium zone ka fair value gap here. You see this is a premium zone ka fair value gap. Once I have seen this, and there is this liquidity as well. You see this, there is liquidity, and there is this premium zone ka fair value gap. So all these make me realign my bias, and it has given me an opportunity to go short, because at least to some extent there will be some sort of bearish momentum at this point, and that is where I've gone to the 1 minute. you know Once this huge bull bar has been taken out by these couple of bear bars, and there is shift in order flow as well, because you see from here market has given such a huge breakout thing, and then market has come down, it has taken some sort of pullback, and then it started. So what is the order flow saying? Order flow is saying that the price is printing towards the downside. So that is where I have executed my order. Once this bar has been taken out by these bear bars, I have placed my stop not on the top. I think once this fair value gap gets filled, there is no point in for me to still hold the trade. So if you see at 11:35, right? I think 11:35, I executed the order. See, exactly in this bar I've executed, because this bar has been engulfed by this bear bar. So I've taken an entry here, and that is where I held all through this, and I've exited in this bar. You might see this as exactly bottom, but this is all a classic accumulation manipulation distribution setup, guys. Because if you see, there is this pink color zone is a premium zone ka fair value gap in 1 hour time frame. This is all accumulation that has happened, and this is all a manipulation, and this is the distribution that has happened. And market once it has taken out this equal lows liquidity pool, and it again started going up. I am not sure whether this bullish move will be sustaining or not, because we are still seeing some sort of relatively equal lows downside over here. So maybe we might take another chance here, putting our stop somewhere here or on the stops, and can trade towards the downside. So we don't know for now what market is going to offer us. So that is the trade, guys, and one SL and one hit. So uh, in options, in 1 minute especially, it has become so tricky for me. Even to before placing the stop loss, I had to take huge losses. And imagine if my capital is 2 3 times than what I have right now, and I try to enter in a position like that. It's not that if feasible, but still we will be having all these issues all through our life, because that's how trading will be. So it's okay. And that's it for now, guys. I think I'm done for the day. I have even pressed my kill switch also, so I'm no more interested in trading the markets. So I'm done for the whole week. So I think this week has been my performance has been pretty much good. This whole week I've been trying to take the quality trades only. So I'm not focusing on any sort of FOMO trades. There are FOMO trades, but then I'm trying to minimize them slowly at one step at a time, inch by inch. You see this inside candle, guys. I just want to tell you something. Like, you see this inside candle, guys. The whole market has been inside this range. Once this candle slow has been taken out, now it's trying to aim towards the high of this candle. So that is where even you could form this as a setup as well, because these inside things will most of the times, what happens, it creates a huge candle, and market rates inside the whole range for a lot of time. That is where you can consider this as a sideways or a range. Once this range has been taken out strongly, either to the downside or to the upside, if market gives any sort of signal towards the downside, and if there is any sort of reason for you to go short, that is where you can go short. Exactly, this is the setup that I've used for today. So the same setup, this is all accumulation, this is a manipulation, and slowly market is trying to go out. There are a couple of reasons in this one example. I can tell you a lot of things actually, because you see, this is an order block, right? This whole zone is an order block. I'll try to change the color. Okay, green. And this is an order block, and all this, if you go to the 1 minute, you see this accumulation, guys. This is the accumulation that has happened, and this is the manipulation that has happened, and this is the distribution again. That is sorry, yeah, this is the distribution that is again taking place. Now you could trade this same setup, this setup alone, multiple times in multiple time frames in multiple asset classes. So that is the thing. This all comes from experience, guys, because even I was new when I was trying to figure out all these concepts, because this is a very simple concept: accumulation, manipulation. There is a reason for the market to manipulate here. There is a reason for the market to accumulate here. There is a reason the market holds an order block here, and there is a reason that the market is trying to go upside and is distributing the prices to the higher side. So this simple example can tell us a lot of things. So if we try to decode the markets, how the markets work, how these can be decoded, these are all the concepts that we all should be handy to learn, guys. Many people say ICT concepts are very hard. Yeah, they are very literally very hard. This is my third year in the process of learning the ICT concepts, guys, and trust me, it's not easy. So it will take a lot of time, but once you decode them, and when knowledge is not important, wisdom is important here, because when you know how to apply, way to apply, how much to apply your knowledge, that is where wisdom is all about. So enough of my gyan. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm closing my week for here right now. So have a happy weekend, guys. So see you.